In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design and style pop-up forms in Mailchimp. By the end, you'll be able to create a branded, conversion-ready pop-up from scratch and get it live on your site with confidence. Before we begin, make sure you're signed into your Mailchimp account and have your logo, a hero image, and your promo text handy so the build goes smoothly. Start by opening Mailchimp and selecting Create. From the options that appear, choose Sign Up Form, then pick Pop-up Form. This route takes you straight into Mailchimp's pop-up builder, where you can focus on look and message without dealing with complicated settings. When the pop-up options load, click Create Pop-up Form to begin. You'll first be asked to select the type of pop-up you want. Choose the format that best fits your site's design and user experience, whether it's a centered pop-up, a slide-in, or another layout. Next, choose Discount. This option is ideal if you're offering a promotion, because it naturally frames your value proposition around savings and encourages signups. Now, browse the available templates and select one you like. Pick something that aligns with your brand's tone. Clean and minimal for modern brands, bold and colorful for playful ones. Preview how it feels at a glance, and if possible, consider how it might look on mobile. Then click Create Form to open the editor. Inside the editor, click the main image in the design to select it, then choose Replace Image. Upload or select a high-quality visual that supports your offer. Think a lifestyle photo, product shot, or background that doesn't overpower your text. Keep file sizes reasonable so the pop-up loads quickly. Next, select the logo area, then click the current logo to replace it with your own. Use a clear, high-contrast version so your brand is instantly recognized. If your logo has a dark background, pair it with a light pop-up background for legibility, and vice versa. Update the text by highlighting the existing copy and retyping it with your headline, subheading, and any supporting detail. Keep headlines short and benefit-driven, and make your call to action specific. Then click the current font and choose a font that matches your brand guidelines. Prioritize readability. Larger sizes for headlines, comfortable line spacing, and strong contrast against the background. When everything looks right, click Save and Review to check your design in one place. Finally, choose Publish or Schedule depending on when you want the pop-up to go live. That's it. Your styled Mailchimp pop-up is ready to capture signups with a polished on-brand look.